10 minutes PCOS morning routine that fixed your hormones. If you wake up bloated, tired and moody, your hormones are out of sync. This 10-minute PCOS-friendly morning routine completely changed my energy, skin and periods without any medication. Let me talk you through step by step. Hydration ritual. Right after waking up, I drink warm lemon water with a pinch of pink salt. It hydrates the adrenals and kickstarts digestion. Perfect for fighting inflammation and fatigue. Most women with PCOS are chronically dehydrated and don't even realize it. Number 2, gentle movement. No intense workouts first thing. Just 3 to 5 minutes of light stretching and or walking. This lowers cortisol gently and boosts insulin sensitivity, perfect for balancing blood sugar. Even 20 jumping jacks or yoga stretches work wonders. Number 3, sunlight and circadian rhythm. I spend 5 minutes in natural light even it's cloudy. Why? Morning sunlight tells your body to regulate melatonin and cortisol. That helps improve sleep quality, reduce cravings and stabilize mood. This routine takes less than 10 minutes but works with your body, not against it. Try it for 7 days. Your energy, skin and mood will show you the results. Save this video and share it with a friend who's struggling with PCOS. And don't forget to subscribe. More natural PCOS tips are on the way.